The mystery of Egyptian mummies.
The ancient Egyptians are famous for creating mummies, remarkably preserved human bodies that have survived thousands of years. Behind this achievement was not just religious belief, but an advanced understanding of chemistry and preservation techniques. Let's uncover how the Egyptians used science to master the art of mummification.
The importance of preservation.
For Egyptians, preserving the body was essential for the afterlife. They believed that a well-preserved body was needed so the soul could recognize and return to it. This crucial religious motivation drove the development of intricate embalming methods using both natural resources and chemical processes.
Natron, nature's preservative.
At the heart of mummification was natron, a naturally occurring blend of salt and baking soda. Natron's drying and antibacterial properties were key to halting decay. Embalmers packed the body with natron for about 40 days, drawing out moisture and preventing bacteria from breaking down tissues.
Removing moisture and organs.
Moisture needed to be eliminated for preservation. Embalmers carefully removed internal organs which would decay quickly, except for the heart. The brain was often extracted through the nose using specialized tools. Organs were treated separately, sometimes placed in canopic jars with more natron.
Resins, oils, and wrapping.
After drying, bodies were washed and coated with a mix of resins and oils. These substances had antibacterial benefits and sealed out moisture. Skilled embalmers wrapped the body in linen strips, sometimes adding protective amulets and writing spells to guard against harm in the afterlife.
The lasting science of mummification.
Ancient Egypt's mummification process blended natural chemistry with ritual. Their techniques, from the use of natron to resin and careful wrapping, have preserved bodies for thousands of years. Today, scientists study mummies to learn more about Egyptian culture, diseases, and the incredible science of preservation.